The technology isn't what we had in the 70s and 80s. We have much more sensitive circuits. We have very little redundancy built into our active circuitry. Now the OEM needs to understand that those types of things on the circuit board itself are critical. And the other thing that we've been really surprised to find is not only the circuit board needs to be clean, but the environment and the housing and enclosure needs to also be clean. We find that we're transferring contamination from plastic parts, machine-plated metal parts, to the surface of circuit boards that are not protected with rosin-based fluxes, and even with conformal coating, we're getting dendrites growing through and on top of the conformal coating because of the outside contamination coming from a plastic housing or a piece of foam. The biggest change is outsourcing. Everyone has outsourced everything to the 10th level. We have no control over our own processes. The OEMs who used to own and maintain and control those processes all now have outsourced it to someone who's supposed to be the expert in that level of control. Then they've outsourced it to the next level and then to the next level. The only thing that gets done in an OEM, the original equipment manufacturer, is the design and the quality program gets documented, and then the print gets passed down to everyone else. They take the final product and sell it, but they have no idea in many cases all the things that are going on and all the levels of subcontracting that's really happening, both in the board fab side of things, all the components, and the assembly. We don't put the crime scene tape out, we don't get to carry guns, but we actually have tools that allow us to really help the client understand what happened, what's the smoking gun causing their failures or their reliability problems. And by doing that, we're able to understand what the customer needs to do to educate and change the process in the subcontractor's mind, or decide whether they need to switch to a different subcontractor who's able to do those kinds of things.